to make a healthy snack. I am making a smoothie for 2 people. I started with almond milk and I did half a cup, but you can use any kind of milk or fruit juice, mostly any liquid form. Put that in a blender, and I moved to vanilla and Greek yogurt. I measured 3 tablespoons, which is about 1/4 of a cup. And again, you can use any kind of yogurt you like, or even ice cream if you really want to. Then I am using prickly pear fruit from Cactus. I have about 1.5 cups here, and I already clean and cut them before. Put those in the blender. And then I have my fruit mix, which includes raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Here I have about the same, 1.5 cups. And if you want less or more, you can always double the recipe or cut it in half. Then I'll get it blended up. And along with my smoothie, I usually do like a more energizing snack. So here I chose omega-3 trail mix, which is really good because it has almonds, walnuts, pecans, cranberries, and pepitas. So the serving size for the trail mix is 1/4 cup. I usually follow the serving size because it's perfect and it is about a small bowl full. And that is perfect for me, but you can obviously pour more if you would like to. And then you have your smoothie and your trail mix for your midday snack.